So I did a Yankee twist out for the first time, and I am obsessed. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful Yankee twist out. So if you are not new to my channel, then you know that I am not new to Yankee twists. I have done several videos with Yankee twists. I'll link some of those up above. Always from TwistOut. So this is what I got from TwistOut. So it came with a crochet needle and then 8 packs of the Yankee Twist. This is my first time having Yankee Twist left over. And I know that is because I did the TwistOut method with this. So let me show you what the Yankee Twist look like. These are the 8-inch Yankee Twist. And this is the color OT 3027. So it starts with like that natural black color. Then goes into the 30, then ends off with the 27. Absolutely love these Yankee Twists. This is actually the first Yankee Twist that I've ever tried. And this is actually the same color that I tried before. But this look here, this look is giving natural hair twist out. Now, I absolutely love Yankee Twists. They're super natural looking, super lightweight. Super beginner friendly. You can crochet them in 1 at a time, 2 at a time, 3 at a time, 4 at a time, your preference. For this look, I actually did 1 at a time for the back of my hair and the front. It's very full. And again, this bundle comes with 8 packages. I only use 7 for this look. So what I did was I took the Yankee Twist. Let me open this up for you. Let me grab my scissors. Okay, so this is how the Yankee Twist looks straight out of the packaging. But what I did before the install was I just unraveled the Yankee Twist. So I'm just twisting it in the opposite direction to loosen it up. This is what it looks like unraveled. Still has that definition, but it's definitely given the twist out look. So I crocheted them in like this as opposed to like this. And it definitely gave this volume, super full, and I used less hair because normally I use all 8 packages, and sometimes I'm wishing that I had 9, but doing this twist out, the 8 packages is definitely more than enough because I only used 7. So let me give you a quick 360 of this hair, and we're going to get right into the tutorial. See how full it is? And I'm gonna let you get up close and personal and see what it looks like inside. I absolutely love these Yankee Twists, and the color is absolutely gorgeous. So if you're thinking about dyeing your hair or adding some color, definitely try out some colorful crochet hair just to see if you're feeling it or not. I'm actually debating whether I want to color my hair back jet black or if I want to do blonde. So chime in the comment section and let me know what I should do. But for now, I'm definitely feeling this OT 3027 color. Like, how beautiful is this? So let me get you into our parting section. So once I got towards the front, I did crochet them in very close together. In the back, they are crocheted in about 1 inch apart, but I'm absolutely loving this look. So with no further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So after I crocheted all of the hair in, I did go in and trim the ends, because when you do separate it, sometimes you get some straight ends, and sometimes even when you don't separate it, there are a few little straight ends at the end of the Yankee twist, like that little piece there. So just clipped it off. I did cut it up a little bit, did a little bit of face framing, but I'm absolutely loving it. It does give a different look on this side because I have a lot of the hair moved over to this side as opposed to this side. But I am absolutely loving this look. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Let me know which one do you prefer, the Yankee twist or the Yankee twist out. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.